Monster Catnap from Poppy Playtime. I am late to the Poppy Playtime party, but we're here. We did it. This has been requested a lot. Well, this Catnap guy. So, don't know a lot about this, but let's give it a go. Anyway, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. As well, requests that you need done. Think about super thanks or Patreon. So it's two ways of making sure if there's a request you really want me to do, you can get them to me. Moving on, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. We'll go too fast. Start with his head. I'm going to try and get like the full body in. So eyes, big, scary, round, creepy eyes, right? So let's go. Right, starting here. That's the top of his eye, right? And then we make it sort of long, and it's not like a perfect circle. It's more like a bean sort of shape, you know, or like a potato or something. Sorry, it's the Irishman in me. See potatoes everywhere. And his eyes circle inside there. Just sort of creepy, and like in there's all colored black, but I'll do it all together because the mouth's black as well. So the other side here, and then this curves down. Like that sort of shape. And then his creepy eye, so he's looking over to the left, so it's like here as well. Boom. Nose, top of it here. Cat triangular sort of nose, right? So we go down this way. And we got that mad mouth just underneath this, right? And cat lips, right? So it comes out from the bottom of the nose, comes up. This side doesn't go as far, so we'll go to here and sort of up towards the cheek, just up there. And then we'll bring this down around. It's a mad big mouth, right? So I know there's like lots of different versions of this guy now as well, so I think this is like one of the creepier ones. Well, the nightmare one is pretty creepy as well. So the shape for the face then kind of comes around this, right? So the eyes here, shape coming around, kind of like eyebrows kind of there. This comes down around the eye. And then his sort of cheek curves around there. And then this goes down around this way. Around to there. He looks super happy. So I'd say like the black parts in there will make it like creepy as all hell. And just a little line on the top of his head here. And then big ears. One going that way. Then we go to a point and come down, and it looks like he's got like a little chunk sort of taken out of his ear there or something. And then we might have some interior sort of lines just in there. Then the other ear is like going the other way, so like curves across here. It's kind of a line just past the cheek there. And then it comes back down towards the forehead, and then another line there. So he's got these glowing white eyes that are really creepy. Okay, so body now is like, he's real skinny, right? And he's got these stitched on kind of arms. So the back, right, it's this, his spine, his bones are kind of showing, right? So you got these bumps, these ridges, right, starting like that. And it comes all the way back to like near to his tail. Okay. Then we meet like his hip bone sort of thing. So like goes up. Around there. And then there's a part like for his leg, it kind of clicks in here with stitches just in there. So this is like a skinny sort of belly area. And then this comes underneath here. And this comes up like underneath his rib cage. So each of these kind of then, say like connects with these sort of bones nearly, right? So say like you got one going, say like this way. Right, so each of these would be like a sort of rib or something there. And they'd like nearly connect with these, but it's kind of light. They don't connect fully. Maybe a couple more just in behind his arm then. So he's got an arm here as well, like this is like his shoulder area. And then the front of his chest is underneath there. So then there's a moon hanging down here. Just this curvy moon shape. And it's got like extra little 3D lines. So like an edge line just coming around it here. Just to make it look like it's a bit three-dimensional, like that. So now all those limbs, right, those big long limbs, bone-like. So we'd start with this one, right? So curves in here from his hip, and then this will keep going. And when we get to like the knee area, it kind of like bumps out a little bit for the bone. Like that. And then this goes real long then down to the bottom of my page nearly. Just leaving enough room there for his foot. I'll do all the feet together because they're mostly the same sort of shape. So this comes out here. And then the other side. And then his elbow comes around to his paw, which is, this one's kind of up. It's like he's walking sort of. So this one's in the air. This paw. Right, so that sort of starts there. And then this one's out in front, so we'll go this way. Okay. There's another sort of armpit line there. And like some more sort of skin lines and stuff on his chest. So one more leg, tail, and then we'll do feet. So we go this way, right? So he's kind of down behind this one. Okay. Tail then. You could do this anyway, really. Like so. And then stitching all along this. So you could just do this very simply, just with black lines. Just a little line around it. And right, so claws. So we'll work across this way. So we go sort of for the first one. Well, maybe we'll do the big one first, actually. So we'll go sort of out like this for his toes, and then a big spike. Right, these round things with spikes coming out of them, right? So you got the curvy section like that, and then a big claw coming out here, like just a big spike like that. And the top of the toes, and then anywhere there's a gap, fill it in, and then same on this side, right? So you got like his paw heel sort of thing where it's touching the ground, and then we have the round part with a big spike. Round part, spike. Right, just so we can see a little bit of the other one on the other side there. Right, so that's 1, 2, 2 more. This one's kind of in the air, so we can see like his heel, and a big spike, the round part then. Next one. Roughly 4 on each one, so then say like back of this one there, round part, spike, make it a bit bigger maybe. Next one. Big spike here. And then one more. Like that. Basically. And of course black all in here, and then he's kind of like a purple color. There he is. Monster Catnap. I'll try do more of these guys because they're scary. They're creepy looking. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.